Alright, so today I have a pretty cool opening. Gold Series 4 Pyramids Edition. These are a bit harder to find, not the hardest, but it's pretty cool. Comes with the one pack with 3 gold rares, I believe, and one of these mats. So, let's see. Now, a couple things I'm hoping to get out of here. If I can get it open. Maybe not. Okay. There we go. So I'm hoping to pull Toon Table of Contents, Lackluster Soldier Envoy in here, I believe. And I'm hoping for the mat, with one of the Blue Eyes mats. Okay, of course, the one didn't need as much, but still pretty cool. It's a nice mat. And then you get your one pack. Now, I've always thought these have way too much packaging for one pack, but, you know, at least this one comes with the mat. Huge pack, too. Gold rares are on the front, apparently. Wish I knew that, but what can you do? Eternal Drought. Orichalcos Shunrose, nice. Radiant Jewel. Injection Fairy Lily. Versago the Destroyer. The Toon Dark Magician Girl, nice. Prometheus, King of the Shadows. The Sword of Dark Rites. Millennium Shield. Toon World. Alternate art. Don't know if I like this as much as the original, but still, I guess it's cool they made different art. And Goddess with the Third Eye. A lot of cool classic cards in here. Recurring Nightmare. Zing Zen Hu. Remember using this when I was a kid. Got Lich Lord, King of the Underworld. Oh, nice. Soul Exchange. Oh, cool. Didn't know that was in here. Whitehorn Dragon. Wicked Worm Beast. Magic Formula. Sage's Stone. Pretty cool. Nice Dark Magician card. Got a more Molith. Trade in. Beast King of the Swamps. The Trap Stun that we already kind of knew about, but still pretty cool. And a Morphing Jar. Okay, come on, let's see. The Royal Oppression. Okay, not what I was hoping for. Still pretty cool. Pretty nice, okay. So, subscribe for more pack openings. And check out my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.